This video shows you how to create, run, and report on photo tasks on visit basis. First of all, we need to create a task. So you go to the Task Templates tab, click on Add Task, and fill in the information. Task title, let's say sample photo, description, take a picture of product category, select the appropriate division, let's say confections. What do these three boxes mean? A checked field reps can schedule this task means that mobile users will be able to add the task themselves while at the locations. Unchecked, only office users will be able to add the tasks for the mobile users. A checked confirm task start with GPS means that the mobile users will only be able to perform the task at the specified location. If the mobile users try to perform it at a different location, they will get an error message. A checked is active means that the task is available for scheduling. Some seasonal or period-specific tasks, such as install Christmas display or product intro questionnaire, for instance, can be unchecked when not in use. Next, we go to items. We can make this task item-specific or not. If we check load products and select one or more products, we will be instructing mobile users to take photos of each one of the products we select. If we check Load Locations MSL Planogram, we will be instructing mobile users to take individual photos of all the products in the location's must stock list. For our purposes, let's leave everything unchecked, meaning that we want a category photo or a non-product specific photo. Now we go to Actions and add a request. Take picture of product category. For answer type, we choose photo. And we can make this answer required or not. If it is required, reps will not be able to close visits without performing this action. That's it. Our task is ready and we can save it. Let's now schedule the task on the User Schedule window of the Visits tab. We select a date, select a user, click on Add Visits or Tasks. Select a location for the visit. Add Visit. Now we select the visit, add visits or tasks, add task template. Select the sample photo task we created. Add task. That's it. The photo task can also be assigned on VisitBasis Office app by using the Schedule by Location window, or even by importing a visit and task schedule spreadsheet file. It can also be added by mobile users themselves, since we check the box Field reps can schedule this task in the task settings. Let's now add a task on the VisitBasis mobile app. This is the visit screen on the VisitBasis app. We can see the visit we just created. Let's create another visit to add the task to it. We tap on the top right plus sign, select a location, click on Add. Now to add the photo task, we select the visit, tap Tasks, click on the top right plus sign, select our sample photo task, and click on Add. The task has now been added to the visit. Let's now perform the task. We just select the task, click on View Task, tap on the camera icon, take the picture. In the preview, we can choose whether to use the photo or to retake it. We'll use it. We can also add a note to the picture. For instance, product shelving looks fine. Go back, and we save our photo task. Our task is now done. Since we only had this task for the visit, we can go back to the visit screen, synchronize, select, and close the visit. The double check informs me that the data has been successfully synced. Let's go back to VisitBasis Office to see what my visit and task execution looks like. On VisitBasis, User Schedule will show you what is planned for the day, week, or month, as well as any updates coming from the field. We can see that the Refresh button has popped up. This means that I have new information that has been synced. When we click on it, we see that this visit has been closed and synchronized, and we also see a view link. Clicking on the link will take me to the visit summary report. This report can be downloaded as PDF. If I click on the visit marker, I will see the visit stats. If any tasks were performed, if closed and sync, you will see the double check, the time the visit has started and its duration, and if the visit is GPS verified, you will see a green check. Here we do not see one since I did not perform the visit at the location it should have been performed. If I go to a date when we actually performed real visits, I can see the green GPS verification check on the visit stats callout. The same viewing options are available on the dashboard window. The dashboard, however, shows you what is actually happening in terms of visits throughout the day instead of what is planned for the day. So if I select a day with actual activity, this is where the user turned on Visit Bases on their phone. The green line is the rep's path for the day, with the blue dots indicating captured coordinates. This visit has been closed, synced, and GPS verified. And the blue circle indicates the last seen at location for the rep on that date. Clicking on it will show you the daily stats for the user. The data is now also available for reporting. Let's go to the Reports tab and create a report on my photo task. The task reports allow me to report on specific tasks. If tasks are item specific, then I can use Task Item Action. Since our photo task is not a specific, we will choose Task Action and select our task title. Now we select a start and an end for the date range and click on Run Report. There we go. We can filter this information by certain fields, and we can add extra columns to our report. If we add the columns task title and location address to this report, let's add. We can then go to the photo view and reschedule this visit. This tool is especially helpful when you are analyzing photos and you see something that needs follow-up, like a damaged product or unusual display. To do it, we click on the photo, select Reschedule, choose the date for the follow-up visit, and add a note. Then click on Reschedule. If we go to the User Schedule window, we can see the rescheduled follow-up visit with the note we just wrote. You can bookmark this task action report view already formatted for rescheduling by clicking on this plus sign and choosing a name for a bookmark. This way, you can always come back to it by clicking on Bookmarks, selecting your report, and choosing a new date range. For information on reschedules, you can use the Simple Views Visit Notes report. Then we select the date range and Run Report. To this report, we can add an extra column with rep's nickname to see for whom their visit was rescheduled. And then we can filter the information either by who is rescheduling, indicated by the visit note created by field, or by reps for whom the visits are being rescheduled, indicated by rep nickname. This is a great way for management to see whether a rep is having too much visit rescheduling activity. We can also run timesheet reports for our reps. Timesheet reports will show you tabulated activity information for your reps, with each line representing a date. When you filter the timesheet report by username, you will see the summary of the user's activity for the date range, such as a monthly activity report for one of your field reps. Visit Bases also allows you to generate user stats reports. That's the summary of a user's activity for a date range. To do it, go to Custom Reports and click on User Stats, Sample Report. Now add a date range with the date in year, month, day format. and click on Run Report. The user stats report will display one line for each user with activity during the date range and includes stats such as number of work days, number of visits, and percentage of completed visits. If you are familiar with SQL, you can also create your own SQL queries and upload them to VisitBasis to generate your own custom reports. Should you have any questions, please contact us at support@visitbasis.com.